Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the best ways to make money with affiliate marketing. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos. And with that being said, I'm going to just get right into it. So the topic of this video is what is the best way to make money with affiliate marketing. Well, I'm going to get to that later on in the video, but for right now, when you first start with affiliate marketing, you have to pick a niche. So what niche do you want to promote? So what I suggest is picking a niche that you're passionate about. So if you're passionate about health and fitness, I would recommend picking a niche on health and fitness. If you're trying to teach people how to make money online, go with that niche. Just pick a niche that you're passionate about, because during this process of learning affiliate marketing, it's a process of trial and error. You're gonna have setbacks and you're gonna want to quit. That's why it's important to be passionate about what you're promoting. So think about the big picture. How are you helping people with your product that you're promoting? So that's the first thing, is picking a niche. And the second thing is finding a product to promote. Now this is very simple. You can sign up for free affiliate programs, which I'm pretty sure everyone's heard of Amazon. There's the Amazon Associates program. You just go to amazonassociates.com and then you sign up for a free account. And when you sign up with your free account, you just fill out your information and you can start promoting their products on your website, your blog, your Facebook, Instagram, whatever you want to promote it on. And there's also clickbank.com. That's also free as well to sign up for an account. You just do the same process, sign up with your information, and you can start promoting as soon as you finish signing up. Now the thing about clickbank.com is that most of their products are digital, so people order their products and they're just instant downloads. So that's the second thing you have to think about, is finding a product to promote. Now the third thing that you have to figure out is how to promote your product. And if you guys are looking for the free version of how to promote products online through affiliate marketing, then I would strongly recommend that you do it by creating content. So whatever product you're promoting, whatever niche you're promoting, that's why I said beforehand, it's better to be passionate about this product or this niche, because you're going to have to be creating a lot of content about your product. So if it's health and fitness, you can promote your product on a blog, just writing blog articles about the 10 best ways to burn belly fat, or create YouTube videos such as this. Just creating content that's going to keep people's interest. Or you can also create content through Facebook posts if you have a lot of followers or friends, through Instagram, Twitter, anything through social media is going to help you out big time if you're promoting your products for free. So that's the third thing you have to focus on, is how to promote your product. Now once you guys figure this out, it's pretty much a matter of just executing it, planning out how you're going to use these tools and executing them. So for instance, I'm going to just say health and fitness for your niche. So any product that you want to promote related to this niche, you can easily find it on amazonassociates.com or ClickBank. So say for example, you're promoting a product in the health and fitness niche. You're promoting a product that helps people lose weight, so it's a weight loss product. So you already have your niche and you already have your product you're going to promote. So what's the best way to promote your product? Well, my personal recommendation is through YouTube. The reason why is because YouTube is free And video content is a lot better than writing out content through blogging or through a website, because people get to see your face. People get more of a connection with you because they see how you talk, how you act, and people feel like they know you on a more personal level rather than just what they read from your blog post. So this is the basics on how to make money online through affiliate marketing. So like I said earlier in the video, the best way to make money with affiliate marketing, if you really want to be successful in this business, you have to ask yourself, how is this product or service helping the person that I'm trying to reach? So when people realize that you're giving them valuable content, they're going to want to look into the product that you promote to them. If you tell them, hey, this product might help you out. I understand the struggle you're going through. You're trying to lose weight. Here's a product that'll help you burn belly fat. They're going to want to look into that product because they're going to see you as an authority figure because you're giving them consistent, valuable content. And that's the best way to make money with affiliate marketing. And that pretty much sums it up. And if you guys are looking to get started with affiliate marketing today, I'm going to leave a link in the description below on my recommendation on how to make a full-time income online. And you guys can check it out. And if you guys are still unsure about what niche you want to promote, I'm going to leave a link for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. Now what this book does is it helps guide you to decide what niche you want to promote and also which platforms you can promote your affiliate offers. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.